Hey guys, this is Cute Potato and we're playing WorldCraft again. So I'm gonna start with I don't know with sorry for that. I'm gonna start with Date and Kiss. Why do I ever have to do this? Okay guys, I'm back with recording and so what the hey? Look at this world! I think it's beautiful. Oh my, this is awesome. I'm gonna close the door. What the fudge? The fudge is this? We're gonna this is gonna be awesome. Okay, hello, okay guys. Now this is emerald, this is bricks and gold, and this is the diamond. Why isn't it on the creepy top? Why is it on the creepy stuff? Okay, I'm just gonna stop. How much? This is better than the folder. It's a beautiful folder. Carlo! Sorry about what? I'm falling. No, I'm not. How can I build this world? Yeah, and the earth. It's gonna fly over the top. Like I'm cheating. Ready for this cannibal! Whoosh! Yeah. Where's my senpai? Okay, I'm back. Checking out worlds is awesome. Oh, look at that tiny pony. This is awesome. Tiny ponies. What? Really? Is this Rainbow Dash? I watched her since I was a little girl. I stalk little pony. Nah, just kidding. This is awesome. I'm a creepy fish. With a hand. And it's blue. Dun. I'm gonna stalk you. Okay. Oh, Iron Man. Stop, bruh. How much is your power? Where's your batteries? Are you dead? Oh my gosh. They're twins! Clowns! What the fudge? Is that door? Is that even a door? This is creepy. I mean, look at that. So there is hot babe. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway guys, I'm gonna start over this world. Okay, bye.